Welcome back. It's Shirley Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks. Today, the market is crashing again. We have Redbox. It is surging. On the week, it's up 151%, and on the day, it is up 30%. So Redbox was the stock to buy last week. I missed this one. This is what we call a short squeeze. Okay, so Redbox is the new meme stock of 2022. It basically doubled in value from $9 to $18 in 1 week. So that is Redbox. That is the good news of the day. Redbox surging over 30%. Okay, now the main market is crashing. Take a look at my Robinhood portfolio. Is down negative 5.88%. Again, the stock market is trying to get ahead of this inflation. Jerome Powell is raising rates. He will have a meeting this week, either tomorrow or Wednesday. But as Jerome Powell and the Federal Reserve raise interest rates, this causes the cheap money to squeeze out of the market. So that means all your Nasdaq stocks that, were high flyers in 2021 and 2020, they are all giving back that money they made off in 2021. They are now losing that money. So your Nasdaq stocks include Tesla, Amazon, a number of stocks on the heavy Nasdaq technology side are losing money in the last 6 months. Whereas if we look at the last 5 years, Nasdaq is up 106%. So last year, coming out of the COVID, the K correction during Trump's era in 2020, the market surged, and then it surged into 2021, a little bit under Biden, and now we are correcting for the inflation, the money printing, etc. The cheap money is being squeezed out with the higher interest rates that the Fed will continue to raise interest rates. We already saw in the housing market, the rates being raised are causing less people to buy homes. Okay, so people aren't buying as many big ticket items such as cars and homes, and also they are not, just splurging basically. So the Fed is trying to get ahead of this. So also the stock market is too. So it could be an overreaction as we see many stocks selling off. This is just not retailers selling off. This is big institutions who are selling the stocks. They are looking to get ahead of what the Fed's going to come out and say this week. They are preparing themselves. Now, this may be an overcorrection. So we sold off 5% today in this portfolio. It may bounce back 2% after the Fed comes out and speaks. But what Wall Street is going to try to do is get ahead of this. All right. So also in the other portfolio, we're down the same amount, 5% as well. Now, the only counteraction to that is if you're doing puts. Now, there are two stocks that you can do puts on. UVXY is up. The Ultra VIX is up 15% on the day. Also, the SQQQ, the short of the Nasdaq, is up 10% on the day. So that is how you can make money in this type of market, as it is very uncertain. Volatility means that people are not just buying, they're also selling. There's a lot of uncertainty. So then when people are uncertain about the market, they sell. And that's what causes the volatility. So imagine if you had dominoes stacked up on top of each other. As each person sells, it causes each next domino to fall. So that's what's happening. People who had margin call, people who have bigger assets such as real estate, and they're stacked up against each other. You can have real estate stacked on top of stocks and stocks stacked on top of other paper and other assets. As each devalue, the bank makes a call. It's called a margin call. So we're seeing that in crypto today as well. As the crypto assets, people basically had $1 million of crypto. And as crypto value decreased to say $700,000 instead of $1 million, the bank will make a call to say, hey, in order to keep your loan out, we need more money. We need more down payment. So that's essentially what's happening as assets get sold in this market, whether it's stocks or crypto. It is pulling the market down. It's causing margin calls. Okay, so if we take a quick look at Bitcoin, you're going to see Bitcoin price is crashing as well today. Bitcoin today is down 12.37%. Again, Bitcoin is being tied to the Nasdaq stocks. We're just seeing Bitcoin fall as low as 24,000, while during the pandemic, the Bitcoin was as high as 64,000. It is now almost less than a third of value. So again, Bitcoin and Nasdaq are trading side by side. They're trading in tandem. As Nasdaq falls, so does the hyper growth Bitcoin falls as well. So this was my morning update. Again, the only hot stock I know right now is Redbox, on the day up 30%. And again, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. If you'd like to get some free stock and start your investing journey today, please use my Robinhood link below, and have a great day.